Welcome back to channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to make a straight ramp in SketchUp. So it is very easy. We have got two ways of dealing with this. So first is that we select the tool rectangle and we just make a rectangle on two surfaces of the ramp. Then we just give thickness and then we just pull this till the end we want. we make we select this, we select this, we select this, we explode it, we select all of it and make it a group. So now you have got, simply you can just clear these lines and you got a clean ramp in your SketchUp, which is very easy. You just simply clean these lines and now you got a clean ramp in your SketchUp. So this is the first option that you can do, and the second option that you can follow is basically you can just draw a line from the lower end to the upper end, then again continuing to the lower end, and this will give you a polygon shaped like this, and that you simply pull it and again the same way the both group, explode, control A and group. So now again you have a straight ramp ready with you, which is very easy. So this is how you make clean and simple ramps in SketchUp. If you want to know more how to make more complicated ramps, then you just follow my YouTube channel and check out the videos that are under the SketchUp playlist, and you will find anything that you want. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it.